Shwmae a chroeso I Lochs Lane, home of Porthcawl Town Football Club, where today they'll be taking on Mystic Park in the qualifying round 2 of the JD Welsh Cup. The draw will be coming soon, and we've got an exclusive chat with Portalbot and Wales legend Brian Flynn all about that day in 1995 when his team Wrexham lifted that famous old trophy. But first, let's find out a bit more about the teams we're here to see today. Andrew, Mystic Park have a bit of a history in the Welsh Cup, don't they? In 1992 they made the semi-finals. Can you tell me a bit about that? Because I believe you were there, weren't you?
Yeah, they had a good cup run. If my memory serves me right, they beat Hereford on the way, who were then a Football League side. And I remember the semi-final. The first leg was in Cardiff, and I went with a number of friends. It was a 0-0 draw, a great occasion, everyone really enjoyed. And then, due to circumstances at the time, the second leg was also played in Cardiff, and they ran out 4-0 losers on the night.
So what did it mean for the club to make the semi-finals in 1992?
Well, obviously, we're a different club now, but we're very proud of the previous history, and within the clubhouse there's all the memorabilia we can find, we post on the walls. It was a great occasion.
So Norman, you've been part of the club for most of your life, haven't you? Now you're a patron. So can you tell me a bit of the history of the club in the Welsh Cup?
We've had some impressive runs in the cup throughout, reaching the quarter-final and the semi-final, only to lose to high league opposition. So yeah, over the years it's been a great challenge for us. The Welsh Cup is the pinnacle of all the trophies in Wales. To win it or to even compete gets you tremendous exposure. You know, everyone knows about the Welsh Cup. You know, so you're following a great history. For minors like us to be involved in it is just, it's our FA Cup really, you know.
Yeah. Congratulations, you've just won that match against Mystic Park and now you're through to the first round of the JD Welsh Cup. How are you feeling after that game?
Oh, really good. It's a great contest. Obviously 3-1, lots of goals, lots of action, penalty save, two shots off the bar and the post. So it feels really good to be through to the first round. Credit to Mystic Park, they battled really well, put on a good show for all the fans. That they brought a good crowd, so it was nice to be back out in the grass playing football with everyone again, so amazing.
There's a lot of support here for you, wasn't there, today? How great is it to play in front of fans again, and how important is the fans going ahead now for support through the Welsh Cup?
Oh, it was really good, really nice to come and play with the support. Great turnout from both teams, nice to have the support, and looking forward into the next round. If we can get a home draw and the support's there again, it really pushes us on, so fingers crossed.
Wonderful. Well, let's head to FAWHQ, where the first round draw will take place, and we'll find out who Porthcawl Town have in the southern section.
Croeso I Pencadlys Cymdeithas Poedriad Cymru. Welcome to the headquarters of the Football Association of Wales for today's JD Welsh Cup Round 1 draw. Congratulations to the 56 clubs who have progressed through the qualifying rounds to be in today's draw. They'll be joined by 16 clubs from Tier 2, the JD Cymru North and JD Cymru South. So there'll be 72 clubs in today's draw. They're split into a northern and a southern section of 36 clubs equally. Penparcau and Aberaeron, worth noting, will be in the southern draw for the geographical distribution. So the first team out is West End FC. And they will host Penricaiba Rangers. The Kingfishers Monmouth Town at home. And they will host Cumaman United. Another home draw for Porthcawl Town. And they will host Abervalley FC, who appear at this stage for the first time. Congratulations to them. Cardiff Airport FC, another team in the first round for the first time. And they will host Tretommas Bluebirds. Abergavenny Town. And travelling to Pen y Pound will be JD Cymru South outfit Taftswell. Caldicott Town. They will host Pen Parkeye. Pencoed Athletic, 7-2 winners over Bryn on Saturday. And they will host Nanabar's Treharris Athletic. Garden Village. And they will host Guitra Gwent, who won on penalties on the weekend. Next team out, Penydarren Boys and Girls Club. Winners in the Merthyr Derby over Merthyr Saints. They will host from JD Cymru South, Cwmbran Celtic. Port Talbot Town. JD Cymru South outfit will host Avon Lido. So quite a tie there locally. Trevelyan Boys and Girls Club. Will host the lowest ranked side, Fairwater. Abereiron. And they will host Ynysir Albions. Ceira Ely, now managed by Nathan Cottrell, who won the Welsh Cup with Carmarthen. Travelling to Curta Ala will be Brecon Corries. Pontyclean FC from the Ardal League. Travelling to Iver Park will be Pontardawe Town. Llantwit Major from the JD Cymru South. They will host Risca United, also from the JD Cymru South. Yndy Athletic. They will face Chepstow Town. Penlan Club from Swansea. We'll host Ynys Gerwen. And finally, AC Pontemista, another good win for those on the weekend. And they will host FAWales FC, who were winners on penalties against Canton Liberal. And that concludes the southern section of the draw.
My first words to the players were, get your passport sorted out. We're getting into the Welsh Cup final, we're going to get into Europe next year, and we're pushing for promotion.
When I went into Wrexham, obviously I'd been there playing for a couple of years, and we hadn't had much success in that because the previous managers didn't really take, in terms of team selection, didn't take it that seriously until the final. But from day one, I decided, me, Kev and Joey, that it was such an important competition, especially going into Europe as well. Qualification for Europe, it was so important that we actually won the competition.
And he scored this time, goal 46 for Gary Bennett, and Wrexham take the lead.
All credit to Cardiff. If I'm right, I am right, Eddie May had released at least 7 of the players were going to be, contracts going to be renewed for Cardiff. So they were going into this game with basically professional pride, and that's what they did. All fair to the players. They at times they overran us and outplayed us, and we were just doggedly stayed in the game and relied upon a young Gary Bennett to score our goals as he did most of the season. But it was great to play at the Arms Park. It was the first time the final was actually held at the Arms Park, which was for me was and South Walian and coming from a rugby background was a fantastic day to go and lead the team out at the Arms Park.
Nathan Wigg now takes this corner, looking towards Badley. Powerful header, and that's it! It's Caldale!
Yeah, we did hold on as well. Cardiff came back at us, didn't they? Caldale always seemed to score against us. Yeah, I think he must have enjoyed playing against Wrexham because he's always seemed to be on the score sheet. Yes, they give us a really good test, and Andy Marriott played particularly well in the last 15-20 minutes in terms of being calm and controlled in front of the back four. So it was a really tough, hard-fought win.
Wigg, they scored from a Nathan Wigg corner last time. Marriott deals, gathers under pressure, and that's it.
That is magnificent goalkeeping.
The last incident of an action-packed cup final. Really, you couldn't have asked for more.
It's always not good, to be an underdog, and we proved that when we played in the FA Cup. And I remember the year that we actually won in '95. We had 2 really, really difficult ties away at Newtown in Latham Park, and we scraped through with a 1-1 draw and won the replay. And then the second was Bangor away at Farrow Road in the 4th round. Really, really, they were disappointed they didn't beat us, and I would agree with that. And then we scraped through that one. Fortunately, we did a lot better against Merthyr in the semi-final. So the underdogs can achieve something without a shadow of doubt. I'm sure they're looking forward to it. And it doesn't matter whether you're drawn at home or drawn away, who you're playing against. I always believe that you're going to win the game.
A proud moment, the first time ever that Wrexham have lifted this trophy at the National Stadium, and the victory to savour. in a tremendous game, a real magnificent advert for Welsh club football.
We're now ready for the northern section. Once again, 36 clubs. And it's a home draw for Llandudno FC, Sean Eardley's team. And they will host Lai Welfare. It's another home draw for Porthmadog at a Trife. And they will host Clwb Pêl-droed Llanberis. Llanfa United. The Mid Wales outfit will host Clwb Pêl-droed Penrhyn Deudraeth. Next home team, Llanfair Fechan Town. And they will host Llanrwst United. So home draw for Llandudno Albion. And they will face Clwb Pêl-droed Llanachamedd. Next home draw for Saltney Town. And they will face Avellanelli. Next draw is Clwb Pêl-droed Eryl, 1879, the Phoenix club of the former winners. Going to Bellevue will be Rhydd Moyn. Next home draw is Caersus. And the Bluebirds will face Rhos Dushlin. Next home draw is Badedon Athletic. Travelling to Anglesey will be Llandudno United. So home draw for Buckley Town. Travelling to the JD Cymru north side will be Mould Alex. Holywell Town. And they will face Gresford Athletic. It's an all JD Cymru north tie. Next home team for Llanuwchllyn. And they will face Denbigh Town. Caergybi FC. With a home tie in Anglesey. And they will host Kevin Albion. Llanelwy Athletic. They will host Berriew. Brumbo FC. Will host Llansanfraid Village. Bow Street. Will face Llanidloes. And Llangefni from the JD Cymru North. So another home tie on Anglesey. They will host Ruthin Town. And finally, Holyhead Hotspur will host Ross Aylward. And that concludes the draw for the JD Welsh Cup Round 1. Those ties to be played over the weekend of the 13th, 14th and 15th of August.